we're going to be seeing how this week is going to be going on BTC. Likely to be looking for which level are we going to be taking buy trade from, because currently now BTC is quite giving a bullish momentum. So we're going to be seeing which area are we likely going to be seeing a pullback before we continue with this bullish move. You can see, first of all, you have to start with top-down analysis from the 4 hours time frame. I like to pick my highest time frame on the 4 hours. Mind you, this dotted line you're seeing on my chart is actually section break. This tells me where the day started from and where the day ended. You can see this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and now Monday section has just opened. Okay, let me show you how you can actually remove this dotted line, how you can actually add it if you want to add it. First of all, go to settings. You come to your settings, look for event. This is it, section break. Once I mark this, it's automatically removed. You can see now my chart is now clean. So I will just go ahead and delete all my previous analysis so my chart will look neat. I'll be deleting all this. Okay, maybe we should just leave that for now and then go straight into this week analysis. One of the things that enables me in taking trades is when I see trend line like this matching with a level I know will likely test. From this line, I could say market was going to reach here, which there's a block here, which market reach on 1 hour block, then sweat a little bit of liquidity below it before we started buying. And since this bullish momentum has actually broken this high, just like this one did, this candle actually closed above this week you're seeing here. So this is giving us a break of structure here, and then this area you're seeing here, this candle actually closed above it, giving us another break of structure, meaning that market will likely still break above this structure, which is the reason why I'm still holding on to this trade. You can see the trade is still running on profit though. And then we're going to be determining where next should we be taking a buy setup on BTC. So I'm going to adjust this trend line to see where. Okay, based on this trend line I've adjusted now, if we should get a serious rejection back to this place, I will say market will come to this place. But if this market eventually breaks above and close above here, this is the area we are going to be getting a retest. This is the area where we're going to be actually taking a trade from, possibly. So let's go down to our 1 hour and see what's happening. So like the area I said, you're going to be taking buy setup, which is this blue line you're seeing here. So we could just use this breaker block that has been broken again to enter a trade, or we use this breaker block here, this bullish breaker block before this rejection, and still take a trade. So either way, if you ask me best bet, I'll tell you between here and here is better for me. Between these zones you're seeing here, this rejection here, is the best place for me to take a buy trade. Or I use this. Instead of just drawing this, you can just drag this already one this level to this place. So this is what we are having on BTC. We will likely get a candle. We may likely get a candle that will likely push above here. Once it pushes above here, we'll take a trade from here. But if it doesn't push above here, we may likely take a position from this area. If this bullish momentum you're seeing here breaks these highs, we'll look for buy here and wait for a rejection down to this place to take trade. But if it reaches here and rejects, yes, we may likely going to be taking our buys from this zone you're seeing here. So either way, this is my analysis for today. Today is Monday, 20th July 2026. This is my analysis on BTC. So let's see how market plays within the week. That's all for today. Yes, I'm currently on this trade on BTC, still running a profit. Our market is still pushing high on BTC. Alright, bye for now.